What's up, traders? Julian here from JLewisTrading.com doing a quick post-market recap on NK. So this is one of the stocks that popped up on our alerts list this morning pre-market. The team was watching it. We were talking about this constantly in chat throughout the day. You can see that it closed up almost 33%. So not too bad. Not really what we're used to. We're used to looking at stocks that are up 40, 50, and 60% intraday. But NK, up almost 33%. We'll take it. What we were doing on this thing intraday, though, was this. And, again, popped up on our intraday scan, pre-market, talking about it in chat. Very, very simple strategy. Always waiting for that first rally, pull back straight to the VWAP. Little dip and rip, as we call it. You can see that MACD histogram reset and price action just exploded right through here. So this was a very, very clean trade where our traders are getting in around $1.45, $1.50. Saw this all the way to the top. You can see that we sort of had a bit of a pin bar, if you will, at the top. Closed back down a little bit lower into its range. And that would have been sort of trade number one that a lot of the guys were taking and looking at. There was a secondary opportunity, and that came a little bit later on in the day, closing in towards lunch, and it's going to be, again, another dip and rip sort of off of the VWAP play. And you can see that price action was holding this resistance level right through here, this trend line resistance, and then all of a sudden just sort of consolidated right through and across the VWAP, and then boom, exploded again. And this would have been considered a nice little intraday scalp as well. MACD histogram really pushing that bullish momentum to the upside. And there it is, quick little recap on NK. These are the types of trades that we're teaching our newer traders to get in front of with the J. Lewis Trading day trading program. And if you have any questions about that, I'm at info@jlewistrading.com. All of my information is actually going to be in the description box below. So feel free to hit me up anytime if you have any questions about this. Again, this is just a quick recap on NK. This is what a lot of the J. Lewis Trading members were trading today and talking about in chat. And again, any questions, info@jlewistrading.com. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.